Good morning, dear hearts. We are at lesson 215 in our review. I am not a body, I am free, for I am still as God created me. Not being a body is significant to today's lesson because today's lesson is love is the way I walk in gratitude. And when we were first given this lesson, one of the lines that, just jumped out is that love makes no comparisons. And comparisons are always of the body. So if I am not a body, then I am going to be free of the necessity of making a comparison. And a comparison is something where I look outside of myself and I see other things, and they almost entirely come back to me as a thought of lack. So because I'm not a body, I am free of making comparisons. And that is because I am still as God created me, and God created me in and as love. So love is the way I walk in gratitude because love is my true identity. This lesson says that the Holy Spirit is my only guide, and He walks with me in love. And I give thanks to Him for showing me the way to go. The way that we will always be led is to acquire more and more gratitude within us, to be thankful more and more for what we see and truthfully for what we are. There's a wonderful lesson from the Manual for Teachers, which I quote often, and I did last year when I did this lesson, because it says that love cannot be far behind a grateful heart and thankful mind, and God enters easily, for these are the true conditions for your homecoming. Gratitude, thankfulness, they're hand in hand with each other. And learning to be thankful for what is bringing us here in the now. It's hard to be thankful for what has not occurred yet, and so that is why we place the future in the hands of God. I don't know what's going to happen next, but I am very grateful for what is here and what is now. And the Holy Spirit walks with me in love. He's guiding me, that each thing that I encounter, I am able more and more to see the love that surrounds it, that created it, and how I align with it, and to be very grateful for what is right here and right now. I come into the present moment and I find so many things that warm my heart, and as I experience them, all I want to do is to extend them, because love is the way I walk in gratitude, and being in love means that I want to share everything that I am, that I have with you. There is feelings often in this illusion, that unless it's something huge, like I'll be really grateful when I win the lottery, or I'll be really grateful when I, get that $1 million job. The gratitude really builds within us when we notice the small things, when we notice a smile, when we notice an embrace. The Olympics have been very full of those kinds of moments. I just heard it today being called the Kindness Olympics, because so many of those on different teams have come together to share in the joy or the disappointment of their fellow competitors. They are thankful that they are there, and they show their gratitude by extending kindness. The more that we learn that it's the small things that fuel us and allow us to grow, we don't have to wait for the major accomplishment to happen. But each time something, but some would say is small and insignificant, but yet we see the significance in it. So that's how I feel every time someone new subscribes to this channel. Those who have over 1,000 or 2,000 followers, I don't know if they feel the same gratitude. They might. I don't know that they don't, but I know the amount of gratitude that I feel and how thankful I am when any new being decides to subscribe. And it's the small things. Each one might be small to some, but it's huge and meaningful to me. So find the small things today that will help you walk in gratitude, and then share them with others so they too can feel the expansion of love within them as it expands in you. That's it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Oh, I mentioned that sort of. Please comment, and definitely be here tomorrow. Namaste.